first sketched out the body on paper and then designed it in cardboard and cut that out, although I only used the cardboard to do the angles and then joined them up on the wood with them straight edge. I cut out the wood with a handsaw and jigsaw for this bit and then by the screen. I primed the wood first with PVA wood glue, sealed up the edges with painter's caulk and then spray painted it black and silver. The screen I had from a broken laptop, so I decided to use that. I bought the buttons and fight sticks along with most parts off AliExpress, along with this and the speakers, which are in here. The marquees acrylic plastic with a vinyl sticker on top and RGB LEDs in behind. Unfortunately, these screws stuck out as the hardware shops were closed during COVID-19 and I had to use the screws that came with the hinges for the back door. So here's the back of the laptop screen. This is connected to an inverter as well as through this cable to a circuit board which will convert the laptop screen to take HDMI input, which is in turn through HDMI leads connected to the Orange Pi PC Plus. The Orange Pi PC Plus has the micro SD card which holds Retrorange Pi as well as all the ROMs. I have a 64 gig myself. This here then attaches to USB hub through the USB ports, also through the two other USB ports. It connects to each of the USB encoders for the fight sticks and buttons. And there also is the amplifier to connect to the two speakers and control the volume and all, which goes through these speaker cables here on either side to the speakers up there. Also this one is the RGB LED which connects into the USB port of one of the two adapters. One of these adapters is 12 volt and goes into a splitter to power the amplifier and the HDMI to laptop screen converter. The other one is 5 volt which powers the Orange Pi PC Plus. I also decided to add in two wee pockets, one to hold a PlayStation 3 controller which can be set up to work on Retrorange Pi, and the other one is the remote control to control the RGB LEDs.